गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुवे सर्वलोकानां विसर्जय भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्री दक्षिणामूर्ते नमः। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Okay, everybody on your feet. Today is a full day. Everybody link your fingers. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Right, hold for a few seconds standing on your toes. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Up. And down. Spread your legs. Exhale and inhale. 3 बार करिए. त्रयक ताड़ासन. Okay, everybody jogging. चलो आप लोग करिए. I have still not got my full stamina back. Okay, nice, light, long deep breath, lambi सांस. Hands on your hips and bend your knees nicely. And then knee in front of you, inhale and up. Exhale and down. Okay, keep your legs slightly apart. Half sit. Inhale and exhale. सांस अंदर, सांस बाहर. 5 times. Spread your legs. Exhale and inhale. सांस बाहर, सांस अंदर. 3 बार करिए. 3 times. Sideways. Nicely inhale and look up. सांस अंदर. Three times. 3 बार. Okay. Hands in front of you. Inhale and back. Exhale and forward. सांस अंदर. सात बार. Trikonasana. Exhale, 7 बार. Nicely rub your leg from knee to ankle. 3 बार करिए, 3 बार. Konasana. Touch your toes. Padahastasana. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. सांस अंदर. 7 बार. Again सांस अंदर. 7 बार. Okay. Everybody jumping and clapping. You. As much as you can. 7 times, 9 times, 11 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. करिए. आप लोग करिए. Okay, good. Now relax everybody. Yogic dance. Keep your head straight. Hands to one side, legs opposite side. 1, 2. 1, 2. करिए आप लोग आगे 9 times or 11 times. Now ये time यार 11 बार करिए. Okay, good. Relax. Now Dhruvasana. Those who can do this also. Other leg. Okay, everybody. Those who can do Surya Namaskar, do. If it is too much of a strain, please don't do. No problem. I'll do the first time. After that, you have to do 3 times. Next 2 times, आप लोग अपने आप करिए. Pranamasana, सांस बाहर. ऊर्ध्वहस्तासन, सांस अंदर. पादहस्तासन, सांस बाहर. दक्षिण अश्व संचलासन, लेफ्ट लेग बैक. सांस अंदर. राइट लेग बैक, पर्वतासन, सांस बाहर. साष्टांग नमस्कार. भुजंगासन. इनहेल, सांस अंदर. अगेन पर्वतासन, सांस बाहर. वाम अश्व संचलासन, लेफ्ट लेग फॉरवर्ड. इनहेल, सांस अंदर. अगेन पादहस्तासन, सांस बाहर. ऊर्ध्वहस्तासन, सांस अंदर. प्राणायामासन, सांस बाहर. Okay, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, everybody. Come on, back to now. Today is a full day. It's a long time since we did our asanas. So today we are going to do some of the asanas. Okay, Vajrasana, everybody. Your toes must touch. Heels toward your outer thigh. Those who can do, those who can't, you can do in Sukhasana. Those who are sitting in the chair also can do and must do. Mandukasana. Main exercise for all those with diabetes and those who don't have diabetes, all are senior citizens, to prevent diabetes. Okay, flex your fingers nicely. Put your thumb inside, close it with your fingers. Lock your knuckles, palms facing down. हथेली नीचे की तरफ. अच्छा से exhale, सांस बाहर. Pull your stomach in, feet under, press, bend forward. Inhale and up. Once more, एक बार और. सांस बाहर. पेट अंदर, press. Inhale and up. Mandukasana, second exercise. Left palm in your right palm. पूरा सांस बाहर. बायां हथेली दायां हथेली के अंदर. Exhale completely. सांस बाहर. Press your stomach and bend forward. Inhale and up. Once more, एक बार और. Exhale. Pull your stomach in, press, bend forward. Inhale and up. Next, Sashankasana. Sashank means rabbit. Inhale and up. Look up fully. Saas nicely. Long inhalation. Exhale. Saas bahar. Put your forehead down. Touch the floor. Elbows on the floor. Inhale and up. And relax. Next, Vakrasana. Keep your right leg straight. Keep your left knee, left leg bent. Feet near your thigh. Left hand back. Whichever knee is bent, that hand goes back. Opposite hand. Left knee, right hand. Across. And look towards your back hand. Inhale and up. Other leg, other knee. Inhale and up. Exhale. Look towards your back hand. Okay. Next, Gomukhasana. Those who can Put their feet under their body or buttocks. Other leg, heel touching your hip, knee on top of knee. Try to link your fingers. Keep your head and neck straight. Inhale and look straight. Okay. Other leg. Whichever knee is on top, that hand goes. And relax. Next, Makarasana. Okay, so we are, at least I'm showing you the asanas almost after 3 months. I hope all of you have been doing it on your own. Okay. Chin in your palms. Nicely bend your leg. Inhale and bend, exhale and straighten, alternate legs. Okay, now both legs together. Whoever are the newcomers in the last 2 or 3 months can observe carefully and then start doing from next class. Okay. Next, Bhujangasana. Both hands beside your chest. Keep your feet flat. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Saas andar. Saas bahar. Now, Bhujangasana, second exercise. Put your left palm under your chest. Right palm over left palm. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Again, inhale and up. Exhale and down. Okay, good. Now both hands under your thighs. Salabhasana. Inhale and lift your right leg without bending your knee. बिना घुटना बेंड किए टांग उठाइए. 30 to 45 degrees, hold for a few seconds. Exhale and down. Leg up and down. Again, right leg up and down. Left up and down. Okay, relax. Put your left palm on the floor. Right palm over left palm. Put your forehead on the back of your palm and relax. Okay, open your eyes. Everybody turn around. Markatasana. Keep your hands perpendicular to the body. T position. Don't keep your hands like this or like this. Okay? Ekdam perpendicular, T position. both knees together, both ankles together. अच्छा से bend करिए. Heels as close to the body as possible. Inhale, knee to the right, head to the left. कोण पे कोण, घुटने पे घुटना. Ankle on top of ankle, knee on top of knee. Exhale and center. Again inhale and knee to the left. Center. Right. Center. And left. When you do 3 times, okay? You can do more number of times if you have back pain. Very good for backache. पीठ में दर्द, कमर में दर्द के लिए बहुत अच्छा एक्सरसाइज. Markatasana, second exercise. Keep your legs slightly apart. Again, knee to the right, head to the left. One knee on the floor, other knee on your ankle. एक घुटने जमीन पे, दूसरा घुटना कोण पे. Center left, center right, and center left. Now straighten your legs. Markatasana. Third exercise, Nataraja. Right leg, inhale and up, straight up without bending your knee. Bring your right toe to your left palm. Head opposite side. Inhale and up. Exhale and up. Other leg up. Exhale, पूरा सांस बाहर. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Both hands beside your body. Ardha Halasana. Inhale and lift your right leg up. Exhale and down. Left up and down. 3 बार करिए. 3 times. Both legs up. Goes with backache. Don't do with both legs. Next, Pavan Muktasana. Right leg, inhale and up. Bend your knee. Link your fingers. Put it under your knee. Exhale, pura सांस बाहर. Exhale and bring your nose to your knees and hold. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Other leg up. Bend under your knees. सांस बाहर. Now both legs up. Bend and under your knees. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Next, Padavritasana. Both hands beside your thigh, touching the floor. Lift your right leg and rotate without bending your knee. 1, 2, and 3. One direction, opposite 3, 2, and 1. Other leg, 1, 2, 3. One direction, opposite 3, 2, and 1. Both legs, those people without backache, कमर में जिसको दर्द है वो ना करें. 1, 2, 3. One direction, opposite 3, 2, and 1. And relax everybody, Shavasana. Keep your legs 1.5 feet apart. Keep your hand 1 foot away from the body. Put your body to sleep part by part, starting with your right toes. Relax right toes. Relax right ankle. Relax right knee. Relax right hip. सब लोग अपने अपने करिए. Do it by yourself as I have taught you. I'm not going to lead you today. Nice long Shavasana. अच्छा से करिए. Okay, raise your hands and rub your palms. Generate heat. Cup your palms and put it on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes, bring your palm down your cheeks. Put your left hand straight beside your body, turn to your left. Inhale and get up. Okay, everybody into position. Sukhasana, Siddhasana, right leg on top, or Padmasana. Keep your back straight, neck straight, head straight. Bhastrika Pranayam. Now we are going to do the pranayams. Dhyana Mudra, thumb and forefinger. Keep your neck straight, head straight. Inhale and Om once. Om. Bhastrika Pranayam. 2.5 seconds inhale, 2.5 seconds exhale. Keep a small smile on your face. सांस अंदर, सांस बाहर. 1, 2, 3 सांस अंदर, 1, 2, 3 सांस बाहर. 1, 2, 3 inhale and 1, 2, 3 while exhaling. Okay, everybody relax. Enjoy what you have done for a few seconds. Okay, next everybody. Kapalabhati, Sarvaroganashini, destroyer of all diseases. सांस झट से बाहर छोड़े. Forced exhalation, passive inhalation. अपने आप सांस अंदर जाएगा. Do not breathe in. Automatically it will go in. Again, precaution. Those who have had their breakfast, those who have had their food, please do not do अनुलोम विलोम. बाकी लोग कपालभाति कर सकते, करना चाहिए. मध्यांतर, मीडियम इंटेंसिटी, 1 stroke per second. जल्दी जल्दी ना करें, किसी को कोई प्लेन ट्रेन पकड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. I'm sure none of you are in a hurry to catch a plane or trains or bus, whatever. One stroke per second. No need to hurry. 1 stroke per second. Okay, everybody relax. Keep your eyes closed. Enjoy what you have done for a few seconds. Okay, relax. Chalo, open your eyes, full twist. One hand behind your back, one hand on your opposite knee. Exhale and look, turn towards your back hand. सांस अंदर, फिर सांस बाहर. 3 बार करें. Okay, good. Yesterday we did long pranayam. Today, since we have done asanas, we are short of time. We have reduced the time of the pranayam. But I hope when you are doing on your own, 15 minute Kapalbhati. All right, next Bahya pranayam. Exhale, सांस बाहर, पेट अंदर. 3 locks. Muladhara band, Uddiyana band, Jalandhara band. Lock. Hold for 15 seconds. And relax. Automatically air will go in. And सांस बाहर. Pull your stomach in. Mool band, Uddiyana band, Jalandhara band. And relax. When you are relaxing, first release your throat, then Uddiyana band open, then Mooladhara band open, okay? While putting bottom up, while releasing top to bottom, याद रखिए. Once more, एक बार और. And relax. Next, Agnisar. The juice of the fire. Agni ka juice, Sar. Exhale, pump your stomach 20 to 40 strokes. पूरा सांस बाहर छोड़ के पेट अंदर खींच के पंप करे पेट को 20 से 40 स्ट्रोक. And relax. Take a few nice deep breaths. Next, Ujjayi Pranayam. Tighten your throat and inhale with noise. Hold the breath inside for 15 seconds with Jalandhara band. Inhale. Jalandhara band. Close your right nostril, exhale through left nostril. Once again. एक बार और, once again. Close your right nostril, exhale through left nostril. Okay, everybody. Sushma Vyayam. Now straighten your legs, hands both beside your hips. Shake a leg, pump your legs a little. Okay, both feet together, open and close your toes. Keep both your feet together and rotate. One direction, opposite direction. Keep your feet slightly apart. Try to touch the floor with your toes. Now rotate opposite directions. Outside in, inside out. Keep both your feet together and tighten your knees. घुटना tight करें. Okay. Keep your legs across your thigh. Hold your toes and rotate. One direction, opposite direction. Feet on your thigh. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Saas andar, saas bahar. Okay, other leg. One direction, opposite direction. Keep your feet on your thigh. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Link your fingers. Hold your toes. Butterfly, everybody, come on. Okay, good. Now either keep your legs straight or you can sit in Sukhasana, whichever is comfortable. Those sitting in the chair, put your feet firmly on the ground, stretch your hands, inhale and pull. Other hand, flex your fingers, fully open and close. Put your thumb inside, close it with your fingers. Put both your hands together, rotate your wrist. Wrist must touch, knuckles must touch. Inside out, outside in. Inhale and exhale. Five fingers on your shoulders. Exhale and inhale. One direction, opposite direction. Hold your wrist, take it behind your head, inhale and pull. Exhale and center. 3 times. 3 बार करिए. Link your fingers. Inhale and press. Side of the head. Forehead. Inhale and press simultaneously. Shoulder exercise. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Nicely rotate. One direction, opposite direction. Neck exercise. Inhale and back. Exhale and forward. One direction, opposite direction. Okay, now everybody, your eye exercise. Keep your head and neck straight, rotate your eyes fully 360 degrees. One direction, opposite direction. Do not shake your head or neck. Only your eyes must rotate. Okay, good. Next. Anulom Vilom, Sukhasan, Siddhasan or Padmasan. Everybody, 5 to 7 minutes we will do Anulom Vilom today. Left hand Dhyana Mudra. Right hand, close your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale through left nostril. Close your left nostril with your ring and middle finger. Exhale through right nostril. Then inhale through right nostril. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Exhale through left nostril. Come on, everybody. Okay, everybody relax. Okay, open your eyes, raise your right arm, bend your elbows, exhale and pull. Left arm up, exhale and pull. Okay, now Bhamri, Udgit, Prana. Come on, everybody. 4 finger on your forehead, 3 fingers between your eyes and nose. Close your ears. Inhale and 3 times Bhamri, 3 times Udgit. One minute silence, everybody. अपना अपना इष्ट देवता पे ध्यान करें. Concentrate on your इष्ट देवता, whoever is your favorite god. Okay, raise your hands and rub your palms. Nicely generate heat. Cup your palms and put it on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes, bring your palms down your cheeks. And look at both your palms. Now your ear exercise. Inhale, close your nostrils and pump your ears from inside 3 times. Exhale, again inhale. And exhale once more. Okay, good. All right, now everybody, Simhasan. Come to Vajrasan. Those who can't can sit in the Sukhasan. Spread your knees, keep both your palms between your knees, fingers pointing inside. Inhale, open your eyes, put your tongue out and say ha from the stomach. Roar like a lion, sing ka jaise. Swallow your saliva and rub your throat. And relax. And of course, our favorite asana now, the Hasasan. Forget all your worries. झूमते हुए मस्ती से. your hands and clap. One, two. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, everybody. Today we come to the end of our program. Today we will do full Shanti part. Okay, Sukhasan, Siddhasan or Padmasan. Sit straight, relax, take a few deep breaths. Inhale and ध्वनि के साथ आराम से ओम का उच्चार करें. Those who want to learn, repeat after me. I have already sent you the shlokas. Om Dhyau Shanti Antariksham Shanti Prithvi Shanti Apa Shanti Aushadhaya Shanti Vanaspataye Shanti Vishvedeva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvam Shanti Shantireva Shanti Sama Shantiredhi Om Shanti 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 Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, good day to all. Kavita ji, any time for any questions or anything?
Dhanyavadah, Guruji.
People can just thank you or something. Yeah.
Thank you, Guruji.
Om.
Thank you, Guruji.
Guruji.
You have done a full